Zebunisa's plea seeking more time to surrender has been rejected by the Apex Court. Remember, she had moved the Apex Court saying that her health is not good and also she wants more time to surrender. Let's listen in first from Justice Karjo what he had to say about these recent developments.
क्या बात हुई ये मैं कहने के लिए स्वतंत्र नहीं हूँ आपसे। बस इतना बता सकता हूँ कि जो मैंने अपील करी थी पार्डन के लिए 5 लोगों के लिए, संजय दत्त, ज़ैबुन्निसा काजी, इजहाक, शरीफ, क्या नाम है पूरा, थोड़ा सा राइट हो जाता, शरीफ, अब्दुल गफूर और भुल्लर। तो मैंने ये भी अपील करी कि जब तक पार्डन पिटीशन डिसाइड ना हो तब तक प्रेसिडेंट रिस्पाइट दे दें। रिस्पाइट क्योंकि आर्टिकल 72 में सिर्फ पार्डन शब्द ही नहीं प्रयोग किया गया है, रिस्पाइट, रिप्रीव, सस्पेंशन ऑफ सेंटेंस भी वर्ड्स यूज हुए हैं आर्टिकल 72 में। तो जब तक पार्डन पिटीशन न डिसाइड हो तब तक रिस्पाइट दे दें या।
And Meenakshi is with us on the phone line. Now, Meenakshi, the obvious question that comes to mind now is that after Zebunisa's plea being rejected by the Apex Court, what actually happens to Sanjay Dutt? Tell us, what time is his plea being expected to be heard, and also what are the other observations that the Supreme Court has made while hearing Zebunisa's case?
Well, yes, absolutely. All eyes will be on that crucial hearing, and alongside that, counsels would have watched closely, and now perhaps would be an anxious lot as they are gearing up to present their arguments before the Supreme Court. What we are being given to understand is the court is slated to take up Sanjay Dutt's plea sometime post-lunch, and it would be very worthwhile to watch how that pans out, what kind of arguments, more convincing arguments they are able to present to the Supreme Court or not, whether or not the Supreme Court will buy those arguments, how much resonance it will find with the top court will be a question on everybody's mind, especially the Dutt counsels, given the fact that this particular plea of Zebunisa and other 2 accused in the Mumbai blast was in a way intertwined with Sanjay Dutt's plea as well. Sanjay Dutt alongside had also taken an additional ground saying that before the Mumbai blast judgment came out, he had taken on a great volume of work which he needs to complete, and for that purpose he had sought six months time from the court to really surrender. So interestingly, we have seen the opinion of the Supreme Court come out, wherein the court is of the opinion that once the punishment has been awarded by the Supreme Court, entertaining any such pleas would really open a floodgate of likewise petitions, and clearly that is something the Supreme Court is very, very is viewing with a lot of caution and is looking clearly to avoid because very clearly the opinion of the court was that this kind of pleas would set a very bad precedent for future's sake. That was the primary concern of the Supreme Court deeply, and on that ground, the court has not found merits with any of the pleas, including Zebunisa's plea, invoking her advanced years, invoking the fact that she is not in good health. That has also not found merits with the Supreme Court, and clearly the court is of the opinion that once the punishment has been decided, once the time frame has been set, that by all and any means has to be adhered with, has to be respected.